I can't wait to marry my sister
Me
Kemi.
too. Me too. I can't wait to be called mama. The other day you surprised me when you preached no sex before marriage.
Sister Kemi, you should know that is simply pulpit language.
Problem, you know the finish, make you try to enjoy. Welcome back to my channel. Lego set today is about actor Kalu Ikeagwu. The Nollywood actress here in Nigeria on Monday told an Ikeja High Court how his estranged wife Ijoma allegedly deserted their matrimonial home and denied him sex, after welcoming their son. The news agency of Nigeria reported that Ikeagwu in the suit marked LD/8939HD/2021 is seeking for dissolution of his 6-year-old marriage to Ijoma. The actor is also seeking full custody of his 3-year-old son and 10-year-old stepdaughter. Did you hear that? Stepdaughter. Under cross-examination by the respondent counsel, Mrs. S.I. Emedu, Ikeagwu said his wife packed out of his matrimonial home and sent him a mail that she was on her way to her father's house in Enugu, in this our own Enugu. He, however, said contrary to her claim that he later saw her at Murtala Mohammed International Airport with the children after some days. Ikeagwu said, I got back from home on a trip on August 4, 2021 to find out that my wife had left her matrimonial home. That means when the wife left was back in August 2021 with the children to an undisclosed location. I tried to contact her when I got to the house and found it empty. I sent her an email on that same day and she replied that she had gone to her father's house in Enugu. See, the issue of infidelity or divorce is on the rise these days. It's very, 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 very on the rise. Everybody guide your home, please. Guide your home. So Ikeagwu was saying that she told him that she was at the father's place in Enugu, and 4 days later, I saw her at the airport in Lagos. That means Ikeagwu saw the wife in Lagos, the same wife that said no na Bimpea, that she's in Enugu. That he saw her heading to God knows where. In the mail she sent, she said she was in Enugu. Ikeagwu also debunked the claim that he sent his wife and kids out of the house and failed to provide for their upkeep. I did not send her out of the house. Someone had to tell me why it takes 4 days to get to Enugu from Lagos. It's funny, it's very, very funny, taking 4 days to Enugu. If you say you are on your way, it means it's a continuous sentence. It was a stated fact that she was on her way. The actor further told the court that his wife denied him sex and also poured water on him while he was sleeping. See, guys, I'm totally against this. Like, whatever your spouse do to you in marriage, if you feel like you can't bear it, walk away. Because at the end of the day, if you fight or do all sorts of things, it's the same thing that you do that will be brought up in court and it will be used against you. So instead of dragging, fighting, doing also like pouring water on your husband, for what? Especially when there's no record of him touching you or beating you. So the petitioner, which is Carlo, also said that he was not aware that his wife lost a pregnancy due to sexually transmitted infection while they were together. He also added that after the birth of their son, she refused to have sex with him. And Kalu was telling the court that he wasn't even aware that the wife lost the pregnancy due to an infection and did not give her any. And he's saying that he didn't even give the wife any infection. According to him, to date, I have not seen any report attached to a document that she lost a baby through STD. Though I did not ask her why she lost the baby. Ikeagwu said he stopped sending money to the children for upkeep and maintenance because his wife denied him being the father to his stepdaughter. The story goes that this man married that Ijoma, the wife, immediately after she gave birth to their daughter, and he got a guardianship. He got guardianship for that girl. I think on this channel, one of these days, I'm going to do a video on guardianship, how to process your guardianship in the court, and who you can be guardian for if you are qualified for to be a guardian. The requirements for guardianship, for seeking guardianship here in Nigeria. If you also want to see that video on this channel, please leave your opinion in the comment section below. Okay. So that the wife denied him being the father to his stepdaughter. He added that this was after she accused him of attempting to sleep with the child, and she failed to acknowledge the money he sent to her. Like the wife accusing him that he slept with the child, and after sending money to the wife, he won't call and say thank you, I saw the money, that kind of stuff. The last time I sent money to them was in November 2021. I stopped sending money because my wife denied me being a father to my stepdaughter, and she also accused me of wanting to sleep with her. On why he was seeking custody of his stepdaughter, whom he had earlier sought revocation of guardianship. Are you seeing it? The actor said he had informed that his wife wanted to relocate with the children. As of why he wants the guardianship back again, that was what he earlier wanted to revoke, because the wife was accusing him, and because the wife don't use to acknowledge money he used to send to them to take care of the two children. But now he wants the child back because he heard that the wife wants to fly the two of them abroad. I don't know, but for me, I think this is kind of selfish. I'm not like I'm blaming the man entirely for trying to revoke the guardianship before, or has he even revoked itself? So I'm not kind of supporting the two sides, but I think it's selfish now to kind of now that you know that your wife is flying the daughter and your son, and now you want to take back the guardianship. If it's the son that he wants only the guardianship and the custody and whatever, I won't even be upset. But this is someone else's daughter, and she's a girl. You're a man, you can't take care of her. She's 10 years old. The actor said he has information that his wife wanted to locate the children. He said, I want custody of the two children. The reason I saw revocation was because my wife had turned my stepdaughter against me. And at that point, I got a hint that she wants to fly the children abroad. I've never been married to any woman before I got married to my wife. I married her after she had her daughter. I earlier said the issue of revocation was because I felt she wanted to use me. My lord, as in he's pleading to the judge. Look at the precedent of how I treated the girl from the very beginning. He was showing evidence of how he was taking care of the girl in from the beginning. Like I told you that he married the Ijoma immediately after she gave birth to that baby. So I think Carlo actually loves the Ijoma. Like, how many men will like see you pregnant and just jump on you immediately and get married to you and get guardianship and start taking care of you? How many men? So let's call a spade a spade. Anywhere he's good, I will tell you. Anywhere he's bad, I will tell you. Anywhere Ijoma was wrong, I will also tell you. He was pleading to the court that he's an actor by profession and travel locations within and outside Nigeria in which he can spend 5 days to 1 month. At the moment, it may be difficult, but I am thinking about the future when I remarry and get a stable wife. And then, like he was pleading to the judge to give him the custody of the two children. That maybe at the moment he can't be able to meet her, but he'll marry and get it. See, second wife cannot treat your children the same way she will treat her own biological children. Are you hearing me? Then the justice had earlier ordered the children to play with the father in the court and ordered the respondent to present the receipt of the tuition fee of the children in court. And then the court told him that according to the Child Rights Act, that you cannot deny the children the best education even if you are quarreling with your wife. That means the judge is referring to him stopping at a point in time sending the woman money because of so. So the judge is now showing his own sin on him. So, and the judge was like, if I should, as a judgment, grant you a divorce, and if your wife is in Enugu and you stay in Lagos, why should I give the custody of a 10-year-old girl to you while her mother is alive? The judge is asking him this. The Supreme Court ruled that it is not the worth of the father that the children of that age need. They need the care and attention of their biological mother. I agree with the judge too. I especially agree with the judge. The only reason the girl child should not be in custody of the mother is if the mother is mentally derailed or the issue of infidelity is involved. Assuming the girl starts her monthly period, you as a father do not know what to do. You will be scared of the blood. A female girl is delicate. Your own case is worse because an accusation has been leveled against you. The accusation of him sleeping with the daughter now. So the judge adjourned their case until June 23 for continuation of the hearing. Guys, if you want me to follow up this news for you guys, leave your comments in the comment section below. Then I will follow the case up for you guys and bring you the letters on 23rd of June. Okay, what do you have to say about this whole thing? Who is to blame? Do you think it will be right if the custody and guardianship is being granted to Kalu, or it should be left to Ijoma? Do you think it was right for Ijoma to just wake up and just pack her things and leave the house without any prior notice? At this point in time, they both have their own bad sides, because and at the end of the day, whatever you are going through with your partner, it should not allow you to affect your children. Like, people should codily and maturely do it in a way that it will not affect your children. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch to this point, thank you. I love you. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.